Good morning. My name is Tony Accarino. I am the CEO of Sorrento Limousine Service. Today I wanted to explain you how to purchase tickets for the ruins of Herculaneum online and skip the line. So we can go online on the website of Google and search for Herculaneum tickets. So we have many websites, but in this case, the official website of Herculaneum is CoopCulture. Let's enter on the website. We can also select English language and we can see that the price for the tickets is 16 euros. Check availability. The entrance from Monday to Sunday from March 16 until October 14 is from 8:30 in the morning until 7:30 p.m. Last entrance is 6 p.m. So they close the site around 7 p.m. From October till March 15th, so winter, the entrance is open from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. and the last entry is 3:30 p.m. It's important to know that every Sunday of each month the entrance is free of charge. So tickets are not purchasable online, but you can get the free entrance tickets directly on spot. Let's check the availability. We can see in red the first Sunday, so it's not possible to buy because the entrance is free of charge and the free entrance tickets are only available on spot. Here there are no restriction about the period you want to buy the tickets. Let's go on the month of May, for example, if you want to purchase some tickets for May 20th. We have a different time slot every 15 minutes. I have to say that in Herculaneum they are quite flexible, so they don't see the timing. You have bought the tickets, so they let you enter even if you are delayed half an hour or 1 hour or you are earlier. And there is also a number of tickets available, but generally the site of Herculaneum doesn't get really full like Pompeii is. Let's check, 12 o'clock. And we can see the full price is 16 euros. Reduced are for European community, so citizens between 18 and 25 from European community, they pay only 2 euros. Free entrance tickets instead is for all people under 18 and other free tickets according to the laws. For example, if we have a family of 4 people, 2 adults, 2 children under 18, we can purchase 2 tickets full price plus 2 free entrance tickets. Perfect. Check out the cart. Here it's asking our name, last name, email address, mobile number. So on this website, CoopCulture, you don't have to log in. You can purchase directly like a client. Here you insert your data. You want a tax receipt if you need it. Yes, assign me to receive information if you need some information. And you can purchase the tickets on a credit card. You can receive the email with the tickets that you can print at home and show materialized access pass directly on the smartphone. It's the same. Here you can read and accept privacy and terms. Click that you are not a robot, and then you can select buy now. After you can finish the purchase, and you will receive the email with the tickets in PDF to print and show at the entrance or just save on your mobile. I hope this video has been helpful and we look forward to welcome you in our region. Bye.